Hello, welcome to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel. See, stop obeying all those nonsense strategies, all those nonsense indicators. Do you see any indicator here apart from moving averages? Let me tell you the truth. You will blow your account thousands of times following all those cash 5 candles, cash 10 candles. All those things doesn't work. Let me tell you the truth. What works is the price action. So what this video actually is to introduce you to our BoomCrash VIP group. It's not costly right now. To join this VIP group is not costly. Every month all you need to pay is $50. But each signal can give you, like each signal we send you, make over $1,000 from each signal. See, all these are signals that we produce. We know all these signals. We give you spike signal, we give you direction signals, but the signal is more of spike. Like 80% of the signals will be spike, while the rest will be direction. See, the broker use direction to blow your account. So why are you wasting? Why are you doing nonsense? Why are you following those people on the YouTube telling you that you can scalp 5 candles? You will be there scalping 5 candles. One spike will take all your money and you will lose. You deposit again, you will lose. You deposit again, you keep losing. Why not join this VIP group? $50 per month. Each signal will pay you $1,000. Because I don't do it 1 minute signal. No, my signal lasts for hours, days, weeks. We obtain a real working signal that will turn your life around. You make huge